on, guys? My name is Nick from Make Him Asio, and today I decided that I was going to try to carve a pumpkin with nothing but tools, not actually touching the pumpkin with my hands. And I think I'm going to throw this challenge out to some other makers out there, so stay tuned to the end of the video to hear who those people are. But yeah, so I have a jigsaw here that is plugged in, a drill, this little thing from a stir from the kitchen, 2 screwdrivers, a permanent marker, and a X-Acto knife, as well as some WD-40, and a pumpkin. And I might grab some other tools here and there, but because it's pretty heavy. But let's see how this goes. I'm also not going to carve it from the top. I'm going to carve it from the bottom because I actually am going to sit this down on a light post, and it's going to kind of be part of another project. But yeah, here we go. On Pinterest, my bag. Alright, so I think this came out pretty good for not touching it with my hands. I made some big holes back here and over here and here and here. But that's it. The only extra tools I needed to get was a spoon to scoop out all the gunk, and I tried to use those pliers, but I don't think I ever used them. Anyway, I wanted to challenge a few people. Reaper Woodworks 5x30 workshop. Dylan, maybe. Do they do Halloween in Canada? And if anybody else wants to do this and join in on the fun, I think this was fun. It was a cool way to just use my tools. I did get pumpkin stuff all over my jigsaw, but I think I'll just fix that with the air hose. And yeah, and then the WD-40. So I read somewhere that the WD-40 will help with the rotting, so I'm going to spray it all on the inside of this guy. I can keep it from rotting too much. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below on what if you think I use my hands or not. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to make this into a whole light post thing. And it'll be cool. Alright guys, see you guys later.